Good morning. Nearly every family in Italy grows their own herbs, like rosemary, sage, mint, parsley, and naturally basil.
As you can see, today is a rainy day.
And this is a strawberry tea. And this is in Italian corbezzolo.
And we are going to show you how to make pasta al pesto di basilico. This is basil pesto pasta.
The first thing we do is to cut 80 grams of fresh basil leaves. We wash the basil leaves we drain and dry them with the paper.
Let's remember that for 4 people we need 80 grams of basil, 150 grams of extra virgin olive oil, 80 grams of walnuts, 80 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, one small slice of garlic, half a spoon of salt, and 400 of pasta. Now we cut the nuts. And we grate the Parmesan cheese. This is the result.
Now we are ready for the preparation. We have filled a pot with water and warm it up until it boils. While we wait for the water to boil, we use a robot chef to prepare the pesto. When the water boils, we add a spoon of salt. And we pour the pasta into the water. Stir the pasta every now and then until cooked.
Remember to check the pasta bag the cooking time, which can vary from pasta to pasta, usually between 7 and 10 minutes. Now we move on to Robot Chef and we put all the ingredients in it.
Now we put the Parmesan cheese, the walnuts, the garlic, the basil, the olive oil, and the soup. Now we mix for 20 seconds.
Now we drain the pasta. This is the pesto we have obtained, and we pour most of it in the pasta.
And now,
Buon appetito!